If you're wondering how to delete a registration number in EverWebinar, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this and why it might be a key action for your webinars. Stick around, because I've got some extra tips at the end that will help you get the most out of your EverWebinar experience. First, let me tell you that EverWebinar can be used completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. You'll definitely want to check that out, especially if you're new to the software and looking to dive right in. Now, let's get into how to delete a registration number in EverWebinar. It's actually a pretty straightforward process, but there are a couple of things you need to know to make sure you're doing it the right way. Next thing, log into your EverWebinar account. Once you're in, head over to the Webinars tab where you'll find the list of your scheduled webinars. This is where you manage everything related to your events. From here, you want to choose the webinar for which you want to delete the registration number. After that, click on the Registrants section. This is where all of your registered attendees will appear, along with their registration numbers. If you need to delete a registration number, simply find the specific registrant whose number you want to remove. The fourth thing, click on the checkbox next to the registration number you want to delete. Once you've selected the registrant, you'll see an option to delete their registration. Click on the Delete button and confirm that you want to remove this registration number. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple. At this point, you've successfully removed the registration number. If you're wondering why you'd need to delete a registration, it could be for several reasons, like cleaning up your list or managing duplicate entries. Whatever the case, you now know how to get rid of them. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that EverWebinar offers a bunch of powerful features that can make your webinars more engaging and effective. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the free trial by using the link below. With that exclusive offer, you can get the full experience of EverWebinar, and there's no risk to you at all. So, to recap, logging into your account, heading to the Registrants section, selecting the number you want to delete, and confirming your action are the 4 key steps to remove a registration number in EverWebinar. And as a special bonus for watching till the end, remember that through our exclusive link, you get an extended free trial. Check it out now. Thanks for watching.